Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. Today I'm going to be doing another swipe. So I have my swipe mix here. I need to clean my bottle, it's getting a bit grotty. I haven't got a full thing of black here, so I'm probably going to do a mix of the old mauve and the black for my base, and then I'm going to use these as my swipe colours with some gold over the top. Just a small canvas, so let's get started. So this is probably going to be my last video on this setup. I've bought some IKEA furniture and I'm going to sorry, just thinking, like I didn't have an idea of what I was doing here. So let's just randomly mix these colours. Is that enough to make it run? Now the old mauve does dry quite dark. Actually, what I do want to do, I think I do want to mix these a bit. Whoop. Did I want to go over the side? You know what? I think that might be a good idea, because I don't want to overstretch this. I always seem to overstretch my swipes. So let's try just tilting this. I might put an extra glob on because the black always gets everywhere. I want to use my finger to do the edges. And I think what I'll do when I go to tilt is I'll add a bit more black. Oop, probably didn't need to do that because it's mostly coated. And it is nice to have a little bit of a gradient on the edge here as well. It'll probably run off more though, so I don't need to be too worried. Okay. Got some cells. Always amazes me, I don't know why. All right. Start with the red today. This is reasonably thick. I had planned to go a bit different. I was going to do the old mauve and then the red, but because I put it in the base, actually I'm not quite as worried. Oh no. Can't do a video without dropping paint somewhere. Now this is the house paint. I've added a tiny bit of titanium buff, something like that. What's it called? Yeah, titanium buff light to it as well, just to give it a bit more of a yellow tinge. And then I'm going to drizzle some gold through. And I'm going to do that all over. Maybe on the edges. I want to use one of these swipe tools. Or should I go a bit bigger? I'll do a big, I think I'll do one of each. I'll come through here and then I'll go up there or something like that along those lines. Oops, see, I'm already dripping my swipe mix everywhere. Now, I'm wondering if I don't go too light on the swipe mix, maybe it will sink better. Let's find out. I'm not very happy with that swipe. Let's do a small swipe here. You know what? I might need something even smaller. Already plenty of white here, so let's try. I don't like this. I don't know whether to have a go at stretching it or to scrap it. I'm really not liking this. Let's try. I actually really like the base though. I need a cup. I'm going to scrape this into a cup. I'm actually not sure what I'm going to do with this. Make the base. I wonder about just pouring some colours on. I could add colours to this and pour it on. Alright, let's try that. Alright, it's not a lot there, don't need a lot. I'm going to pour it sideways. I'd like a little bit more yellow. We're not having more red, so maybe a bit more orange. And alright, first I'm going to tilt up and down. Put a bit of gold through here. I'm trying to stretch out that middle bit. The only way to do it, I think, is by dropping off the ends further. I'm struggling to get rid of the blockiness. I'm not really sure how to attack this. I feel like I have to keep tilting. Okay, so I've tilted it a bit more. I'm just gonna do a little bit of playing. Okay, here it is wet. Now, at the moment, it's not doing a lot for me, but having said that, the old mauve here and up here is going to dry quite dark. And the gold, which is all through this, I think the smaller section through there, some through here, that's going to pop. So I think this is going to look really different dry. So yeah, I mean, there's not a lot happening. There's a few cells through here, but not a lot. So yeah, I'll show you when it's dry and let's see if it improves. And here it is dry. Let's see what shine we've got. This particular metallic gold isn't that shiny. I mean, it looks like gold, but it's just a little bit on the dull side. So there's not a lot happening in this piece, in this movement. This was just what I ended up with after the fail, I guess, of the swipe. Yeah, I think that's going to be it for the swipes for now. The next video will be of the IKEA build, my new table, which I'm actually on now, and then I'm going to get into some Dutch pours. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.